It's a stormy night today here in Australia, and the worms really are not liking this at all. So this is Gargantua, my CFD worm bean. As you can see, they are crawling out from all sides, top, bottom, wherever. Let's see what's underneath here. There we go. Look at that. Jeez. Heaps of them coming out. Black soldier fly pupae. Everything. We're gonna cover this for the rain. This is another worm bean. This is Quasimodo. And same thing, everything's going out. Blue worms, red worms, even European nightcrawler here. They're all crawling out. There's no point putting them back because they're gonna get out anyway. So I'm gonna have some lost here today, but it doesn't matter. Even here on the worm swag, they've been crawling out. This one is kind of fine, but there's a lot of black soldier fly larvae that try to get out as well. They don't like the rain. So I'll grab those, put them in the up here. What else is in here? Okay. The other worms in this swag seems to be okay. I don't know why. What about this one? Looks okay too. Yeah, they're happy in here. So it's just a bit weird. I don't know why. Like some. Oh, there's one out here. But there's a mass exodus on some of the bins, but not all of them. This is a big, well, medium-sized European nightcrawler here, a red worm here. I saw some blues earlier. Yeah, a lot of them. Oh well. See that? They're crawling up. Jeez.